On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Hey, it's me, Marie. And just look at me. I am riding a bike. It feels so good. I have a bike, a big black bike. I can ride a bike. I ride my bike every day. Oh, what animal is this? Is it a dog? No, it isn't. Is it a lion? No, it isn't. It's a horse. This man is riding a horse. But I cannot do it. I can't ride a horse. I can't skateboard either. I don't like it. I don't like skateboarding. I like skating. Of course I can't skate, but I like it. It's really fun, enjoyable, and amusing. Like tennis. I can play tennis. I always play tennis with my sister. She doesn't like playing tennis as much as I do because soccer is her favorite sport. She can play soccer quite well, but my dad can play soccer very well. What about you? Can you play soccer? And now, it's time to review. Play soccer. Play soccer. Play tennis. Play tennis. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Ride a horse. Ride a horse. Skate. Skate. Skateboard. Skateboard. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.